The latest reaction that's coming from the opposition camp, Lalu Prasad Yadav says workers have been rescued from the tunnel with the help of experts who came from abroad. What is the role of the Prime Minister in this? Let's listen into him.
टनल से जो मजदूर निकले हैं उसका राजनीति हो गई है।
मोदी जी को क्रेडिट दिया जा रहा है, मोदी सरकार को क्या कहेंगे?
कौन चीज पर? टनल से जो मजदूर निकले हैं, मजदूर लोग ऐसा दिन के बाद निकला है, इतना विदेश से और कहाँ से लोग आया, अब इतना दिन के बाद इसमें मोदी का क्या है?
5 राज्य में नतीजे आने वाले हैं, क्या होगा सर?
होने वाले हम लोग पक्ष।
Well, we have a reaction from the BJP as well. Union Minister Nityanand Rai has reacted to Lalu Yadav's statement, hitting out at Lalu Prasad Yadav. He calls his statement ridiculous. Listen in.
लालू जी का यह कहना बड़ा हास्यास्पद है और लालू जी तो कभी कुछ किए नहीं, दुनिया दिख रही है और आज आपदा प्रबंधन के क्षेत्र में पूरी दुनिया जानती है कि भारत ने आपदा प्रबंधन के लिए जो जो रास्ते अपनाए हैं और खास करके माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का 10 पॉइंट एजेंडा है जो हर प्रकार की आपदा में कम से कम यूं कहे तो बिल्कुल न के बराबर अब नुकसान हो रहा है जान माल की।
Ashwara continues to stay on with us. You know, first came the attack from the Congress, rather that Panoti jibe yet again with regards to the rescue of the 41 workers, wherein the Congress said that the Prime Minister perhaps realized that, you know, him being at the spot is not going to be a good omen, and that's why he refrained from the entire exercise. And now comes this reaction from Lalu Prasad Yadav. The BJP says it's ridiculous. We need to end this politics over the, you know, the rescue operations that have been ongoing the last 17 days.
Well, all kind of things were said as far as the rescue operation was concerned when the opposition party leveled attack on the Bharatiya Janata Party, saying that it is Prime Minister who at this stage as well wanted all the attraction. He recorded that entire video and put out on the social media, which clearly shows that it is Prime Minister who wanted to take credit of the entire operation, but it was the agencies and the NDRF teams which were on the spot who should have been given the credit. Of course, there was a poster which was also earlier released by the Congress party with Prime Minister Narendra Modi holding.
All right, Yashwara, stay on with us. We need to cut across live.